In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter expenses in QuickBooks Online using checks, debit cards or ACH payments, and credit card charges. Let's get started inside QuickBooks Online. Open your browser, sign into your account, and from the left menu, choose Expenses and Pay Bills. This is your hub for tracking where your money goes. Next, click Expense Transactions to view and manage your expense entries. To record a new one, select Create, and under the Suppliers section, choose Expense. This opens the standard expense form you'll use for both bank-funded purchases and credit card charges. First, let's enter an expense paid by check, debit card, or ACH. In the Payment Account field, select the correct bank account. If you have more than one, make sure you pick the account that actually funded the purchase so your bank reconciliation stays accurate. Enter the payee, so the transaction is tied to the correct vendor record. Add the payment date to match when the money left your bank. This keeps your financial reports and cash flow timing accurate. In the Category section, choose the appropriate expense account, such as office supplies, utilities, or travel, depending on what you purchased. Choosing the right category is important for clean books and meaningful reports. Enter the amount you paid. If you'd like, use the memo field to add helpful context, like an invoice number, purpose of the purchase, or a brief note your future self will understand. When everything looks good, click Save. That expense is now recorded against your bank account and will match more easily during your bank reconciliation. Now let's record a credit card expense. You'll create this as a separate transaction so it lands in your credit card register. Click Create Again, and under Suppliers, choose Expense. In the Payment Account field, select your credit card account. This ensures the charge appears on the card's activity and can later be matched to your statement. Enter the payee, then the payment date, which should reflect the date the charge occurred. In the Category section, pick the correct expense account, just like before, to keep your cost categories consistent. Enter the amount of the purchase and review for accuracy. When you're ready, click Save. This charge will now be reflected on your credit card account and flow into your reports. That's it. 2 clean paths to capture expenses based on how you paid, keeping your bank and credit card registers accurate and your reporting clear. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.